Testosterone is a male sex hormone that plays a role in fertility, sexual function, bone health, and muscle mass. In this video, I have listed the best foods for increasing testosterone and also discussed other ways to increase testosterone production. So let's start the video with best testosterone boosting foods. Honey. Honey contains boron, which is a natural mineral can be found in both food and in the environment. It is associated with helping to increase testosterone levels and build strong bones. Garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which can be useful for lowering your cortisol levels. Cortisol is produced in the adrenal gland, where testosterone is also produced. When your body is under stress, it produces cortisol, and thus it has an impact on production of testosterone. Garlic is basically a cortisol reducer, by association boosts testosterone levels. Eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, cholesterol, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. All of these aid in the production of testosterone. Almonds. Almonds contain high levels of zinc, which is known to raise testosterone levels in people with zinc deficiency. Westers. Westers are commonly known as aphrodisiac, and there is actually science behind this. Testosterone increases your libido, and westers are naturally high in zinc. As mentioned above, zinc increases the production of testosterone. Spinach. It is one of the best testosterone boosting food. Spinach is a natural source of magnesium, vitamin B6, and iron, which are excellent testosterone boosters. Lemons. Lemons, along with other citrus fruits, are great testosterone boosting foods. Much like garlic, they help to lower your levels of cortisol, which means testosterone can be more readily produced. Not only that, they contain vitamin E, which is required for the production of testosterone and can help lower estrogen level, which means testosterone can be more effective. Salmon. Good quality wild salmon is an excellent addition to the list of testosterone boosting foods because it contains magnesium, vitamin B, and omega-3 fatty acids, which increase the production of testosterone. Tuna. Tuna is an excellent source of vitamin D, which can help boost testosterone levels by 90%. It also helps to maintain sperm count. Bananas. They contain an enzyme called bromelain, which is known to help boost testosterone levels. Now let me tell you some other ways to boost testosterone, such as losing weight for people who are overweight, exercising regularly, building muscle through resistance training, getting enough sleep, reducing stress, and finally speaking to a doctor about testosterone therapy. If you have liked my video, kindly encourage me by subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching.